We're going to make shrimp fried rice. Here are the ingredients. 1 bowl of pre-cooked rice, 10 shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 egg, 2 baby carrots, 1 stalk of green onions, 1 small crown broccoli, and 5 mushrooms. And then this is optional. This is mixed green. Here I have shrimp pre-marinated with 1 teaspoon of salting cooking wine and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Alright, put some oil. Put some oil. So I'm going to stir fry the shrimp very quickly. I'm going to remove the shrimp. The white part of the green onion. Add mushroom and broccoli. With some soy sauce, salt and wine. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Vegetable to add the rice to the pan. Just fry the rice for a little bit. Put back the breast piece. Carrot. The egg. You can break it up a little bit, cut it into smaller pieces. So the dish is done. For the optional greens, if you want to add it to the dish, you put it at the end after you turn off the stove and then mix that together. You don't need to cook it. Here it is, delicious shrimp fried rice and easy to make.